Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you how you can fix the login error of your IMO app. So there could be few things that might have caused this problem. So in this video I'll show you the possible solutions to fix your login error. So as you can see, this is the IMO app, and once I tap on it, so right now I'm not logged into any of my accounts. So first of all, an outdated version of the app might be your cause. So to solve this problem, you need to go to your app store or your Play Store. Let's go back to our home page once again, and here you will see the Play Store. Tap on it. On the top part of the screen you will see a search bar. Here type the name of your app of which you want to fix the login error of. So that's IMO. Type IMO and then tap on it. Now again tap on the app once more, and here once this page opens up, check whether the update for the app is available or not. If updates are available, then update your app, and once you have updated your app, go back and log in, and that will also fix your login error. So if this fixes the problem, that's great, and if it doesn't, we have another solution as well. For another solution, we again need to go back to our home page. So here the another solution is using the settings. So tap on the settings, then you will find the option with app. Tap on it. Now here you can manually search for your app by scrolling like this, or you can search for your app by tapping on the search icon which is on the upper right corner of the screen. Here type the name of your app, then tap on it. Now look for the option of storage. So here there is a storage option. Tap on it. Now once this page opens up, the next thing you need to do is clear the cache of your app. To clear the cache of the app, the option is available on the bottom right corner of the screen. So tap on the clear cache option, clear the cache of your app, then try logging in, and that will also fix your login error. So if both of these solutions does not work for you, the easiest solution is uninstall the app, reinstall it, and then log in. So to uninstall the app, you know the process. Just long press on the app, then tap on the uninstall option, and that's how you can uninstall the app. To reinstall the app, go to your Play Store or App Store, type the name of the app which you have uninstalled, and then you can reinstall it. So once you have reinstalled your app, try logging in, and that will also fix your login error. So I hope these options helped you to fix your login error. So this much for today. I hope this video was very helpful for you. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon.